Leveraging ADP's tax services can lift a huge burden off your shoulders. But understanding how to submit and verify filings is key to a smooth, hands-off experience. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way it works. When you use ADP's full-service tax filing, the process is largely automatic. After each payroll, ADP calculates the tax liabilities. Then, they prepare, file, and pay the taxes to the appropriate agencies on your behalf, according to your schedule. Your main job is monitoring and verification. Regularly check the Tax and Compliance Center in your ADP portal. Review the filing and payment status reports. Ensure payments are being withdrawn from your designated bank account on time. My crucial pro tip: don't just set it and forget it. Schedule a monthly 15-minute review of your tax compliance dashboard. Confirm that all expected filings for the prior month show a filed or paid status. This proactive check is your safety net. That's how you turn tax complexity into a managed, reliable process. Do you review tax filings monthly or quarterly? Let me know your rhythm in the comments. If you appreciate guides that help you delegate with confidence, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.